Hi, Chuck Hawley from West Marine, and I want to introduce you to some neat power cord technology from Marinco. This is the EEL, or Easily Engaged Locking System of shore power cords. Let me show you how this works. And incidentally, this got one of our Best New Products of 2012 awards at the Miami International Boat Show recently. The first thing is that the male plug looks like no other plug you've seen. Very contoured with an LED light to show you when it's engaged. But it's the female connector that really has the design differences. Instead of having the normal locking ring to make sure that you have a watertight and strain-relieved connection, it instead has these sort of wings on the side of it. By squeezing these wings together, you can put it over a shore power inlet, release them, and even lock it. Let's see how this works in practice. So the plug plugs into a shore power receptacle just like any other one, but the difference is, watch what happens when it sees power. This bright LED gives you the indication that the circuit breaker is on and that the cord is now powered up. Now let's see how the EEL connects to this vessel. First thing you'll notice, it also has a matching power on LED on the connector end, plus this really handy white LED which serves as sort of a mini flashlight if you're trying to connect the EEL at night. So the locking mechanism's off. Oh, I got to get rid of this old style shore power cord. Pull that off. Now the EEL, just stick it straight on there and release, and it's in place. And if you want to lock it, you just roll your finger forward on that and it keeps the wings from closing down. So now this is watertight, strain relieved, and I don't have any locking ring. It's a heck of a lot easier. To disconnect the EEL, you just reverse the process. Undo the lock, pinch the wings, rotate, and pull it off. Close up your shore power inlet. It's really fast and really simple. If you've got a larger boat that has two 30-amp inlets, the EEL comes with a Y cable that allows you to have a single cable that connects to the two 30s. Now it's the same process. Put it in place, rotate, release. Put it in place. Release. I can lock both of these. And now I connect these two pieces together. Now it actually comes with a sealed locking ring that allows you to make sure that you have a watertight connection between the male and the female connector. So this is a very complete product. Remember, you can only draw 30 amps through it. It doesn't double the amount of capacity you can get through your shore power cord, but it does allow you to power both sides of a split phase 30 amp panel. Incidentally, this same locking collar can be used to extend your shore power cord. Let's say that you need a shore power cord that's 60 feet long instead of 50 feet long. Well, you can take a 50-footer, add a 12-footer, and with a combination of this locking ring, it allows you to have a waterproof connection on that longer shore power cord. In addition to the Y cable, Marinco also makes a wide variety of both pigtail adapters and straight adapters. So if you want to go from a 30 amp to a 15 amp or vice versa, Marinco will have the adapter that works well for you. And most of these have some elements of the new EEL technology built into them. For example, this little pigtail has both the EEL connector and also the power on LED light. Finally, Marinco's got an extensive selection of shore power cords. They're available in yellow, in 12, 25, and 50-foot lengths, in 30 or 50 ampere, all using the EEL special connector. And for those of you who like to have white shore power cords, they even make a 50-footer in the 30 amp style in white. So Marinco's new EEL technology is fantastic if you're looking for a shore power cord that requires much less effort to install it. It works day or night. You can see with the little LED that's built in. It shows you when it's connected to shore power because it's got the blue LED, and it's waterproof. All of the fine products from Marinco, including the entire new line of EEL products, are available at West Marine.